Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Sam, and this is Outdoors in Maryland, and we are going to do another recipe with some of the crab meat that we have collected over the summertime. All right, so what we're going to do today, we are going to make stuffed shrimp with it. It's the first time I've ever made it. We're just thinking of recipes, all different kind of recipes to use with our crab meat. And so if you like this kind of content with our fishing and crabbing and hunting and recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Every time I put a video up, it'll let you know. And hit a thumbs up. That really helps the channel out. And leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. As you see, real quick, okay, for most of my videos, a lot of my videos, I've calmed down a little bit on the music, but this is my new Overkill shirt. I love it. It's got the hockey mask on it, you know. It's Overkill. I am kind of a metalhead, old school metalhead, but love a lot of new stuff. So I actually started another channel, and it's called Headbangers and Hard Rock Television, and we're just talking heavy metal. Hard rock, it can be, you know, just rock. I mean, good rock and roll. Some of the first bands I've done has been just straight. One had a feel of like almost like a Thin Lizzy type music, all the way up to right now we're getting, I got a new video I actually was just working on that's doing thrash metal. It's a new band with a new album out, and it's new. It's a new, you know, new up-to-date thrash metal with some old school stuff thrown there with a great singer, great band. Really love them. Right now they're at the top of my list. So if you like that, I will put the link to that channel in the description. So if you guys be interested in it, you know, I only got about 4 or 5 videos out. You know, I'm working some of the kinks out, getting a little better here and there, but it's been fun. I've really been kind of enjoying it. Okay, let's get back to it. We're going to give you the ingredients for 1 pound of crab meat, okay? We will double it because we're going to use 2 pounds of crab meat for this, all right? So what we have here, we have a pound of shrimp, okay? And what we're going to do, we're going to cut these and we're going to devein them and we're going to butterfly them, okay? We got 2 pounds of crab meat here, blue crab that we caught this summertime. If you want to see how we caught them, I'll put a link in the description, or just go to some of our other videos where we catch our own crabs. You're going to need, this is basically a Maryland style crab cake, your basic Maryland style crab cake. You're going to need regular yellow mustard. You're going to need some mayonnaise. You're going to need some parsley. You're going to have some panko breadcrumbs. We're going to have Worcestershire, and definitely we're going to throw some Old Bay in there. Okay? All right. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. So we got 2 eggs. The only reason we're using 2 eggs is because we got 2 pounds. So for every pound of crab meat, we're going to go ahead and stick 1 egg in. So since we got 2 pounds, 2 eggs. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel these. We want to leave the tails on, and then we're going to go down the back of this. Without cutting my fingers off. And what you want to do is that you want to clean out. I might have to butterfly this a little bit better. You don't want to go all the way through. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to rinse all this out. That's kind of what you're looking for. You're going to want it to look flat like this. And then what we'll do when we make I'm going to go ahead and finish all these up, and then we're going to go ahead and make the crab cakes. All right, here's your 2 eggs. You're going to have yellow mustard. We're going to mix all the ingredients together and mix them up real good, and then we're going to go ahead and Worcestershire sauce, and then we're going to go ahead and add it to the crab meat. The recipe will be in the description. Is parsley,
yes,
Old Bay to taste,
2 tablespoons,
2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and about a tablespoon of mustard. All right, so now we've done this, okay, now we're going to take the mixed ingredients and we're going to go ahead and throw it inside of the crab meat. Now we're going to go ahead and put the pankos in. I don't know, maybe a cup. Maybe a cup. Nah, use your hands.
No more.
Use your hands. Okay. Okay, you're good. Here, I'll do it. That spoon drives me crazy. I'm just videotaping her packing these shrimp.
All right, wait a minute. Before you do that, so just stick them on top.
Yeah, stick it on top, right?
And stick that way.
No, and then stick them on. You can stick them on the bottom, like. And
there's not enough meat.
Oh, you're fine. You're not going to finish them all. Now turn it over, and then leave it flat, and then go ahead and just now form it around it.
Well, we can only
pack it in there, man.
We can only do so many.
That's all right. You got almost a pound of shrimp there. We want real nice ones. My wife is not going light on the crab meat.
I'm trying.
Yeah, that's good. I know. I think this is perfect. I want some crab meat around that shrimp.
I love shrimp. One. I'm gonna do two at a time.
Which one?
So the meat don't go everywhere. Okay, let's do that. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, I pop right off. Okay. Very good.
Well, hey, I hope you like this because this looks delicious. That looks delicious. If you like this video and you want to see more content, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so it will let you know I put up a new video. We will be doing some fishing very soon. And don't forget to check out the music video. If you like heavy metal and hard rock, you'll definitely enjoy that. I think it's pretty cool to be able to talk heavy metal and hard rock. All right, have a nice day. Rock on.